Hey Fox, hello and welcome to this YouTube channel. In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to fix an error which is the installer has encountered an unexpected error 2503 or 2502 code in Windows 11. So without any further ado, let's get started. The very first step that you need to do is at the bottom search bar, please type for File Explorer. Once you have typed it, proceed with the best match and click on Open to continue. Wait until you are being redirected to your File Explorer window, where here you need to select your C drive or local disk and double tap to it, and under here, proceed with Windows. Okay? So double tapped, and under the Windows, you need to navigate to a file folder named temp. So simply scroll down and look for it. Just be keen on finding such since there are a bunch of listed file folders here. Okay, so I can see it here next to task. You just have to select it. Please do a right click. And here you need to go with properties. You can also press Alt and Enter key, and with that you would be able to open this window called temp properties. Okay, so under the temp properties, proceed with the third option, which is security. Okay, and you need to go with advanced, click on it. And here you need to change the honor into everyone. In my case, it is already being set, but in your case, if not, then I'll teach you how. Okay, so click on changed, and your user account control will ask you to say yes. Proceed with yes so that you would be able to open the small window. Okay, here you need to go with advanced and click on find now and navigate here at the search results, where here you need to scroll down and look for everyone. Once you have selected it, click on OK. Click on OK once again. And you need to check this box which is replace honor on subcontainers and objects. And click on apply and click on OK. And then click on OK once again. Once you have set it, proceed with an option called edit. Okay. And click on add. Go with advanced. Go with find now. And under the list of names here, you need to look again for everyone. So select it, go with OK to proceed, and click on OK. Once done, you need to select everyone and you need to make sure that the permissions for everyone is in full so that you will have a full control. You can modify, you can read and execute, you can list folder contents, read and write and all. Click on OK to proceed and click on OK once again. Once you are done with the temp file folder, close this window and try to install again the specific program or application that you wanted to install here in your Windows. I'm sure it will be working this time, okay? So that is a step in how to fix your problem. If you think this video helped you a lot, then don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button as well as the bell icon to be updated for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching this video and have a good day.